Hello and welcome back to another video in our Property Now video tutorial series where we answer all of your burning questions about selling and leasing your own home. Today we're talking about our tips for running your own open homes. Our first tip when running your own open home is to make sure you allow enough time between putting your open home time up and between the day it actually happens. If you put it up on the Saturday and your open home is on the Sunday, for example, then you might not have a lot of people have seen that time and you're not going to have a lot of people show up. It's really important to maybe allow at least 3 to 4 days before running your open home so people have time to see that there is an open home happening, book in or come along. The second tip when running your own open homes is to schedule your open home times at the same time as other properties in your local area. This means that you might get runoff of other buyers that have seen other homes in your area and then notice that you're also having an open home and come over and check out your property as well. Tip number 3 when running your own open homes is to make sure that you don't hover too closely to your buyers. Definitely make sure that you put away any valuables at the property, but then allow your buyers to wander through the home themselves, especially if they're with a partner or family members. They might like to discuss things as they go. Let your buyers know that you're happy to answer any questions, give them some information about the home or the local area, of course, but then let them move through the home at their own leisure. Tip number 4 when running your own open homes is that it is a good idea to have some signage out front so that buyers can find your home. We do offer open for inspections and arrow boards on our site, or you're welcome to source your own signage locally as well also. Tip number 5, especially with COVID, it's very important that you have a open home sign-in sheet. You can download one of these from inside your account, or you can simply create your own, just taking down the buyer's time of entry, their name and their contact information. This is also really good for following up with your buyers post-inspection. Our last tip with open homes is to make sure that your home is really beautifully presented, that it is clean and clutter-free, that any pet bedding is put away, and if you do have any pets, it might be a good idea to have someone take them for a walk while your buyers are coming through the home. We hope this has been useful and informative for you, and if you do have any other questions, please don't hesitate to get in touch with our staff. Wishing you a successful sales and leasing process.